Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is me Naila Tareem and I welcome you all to Javed Publishers. In this video we're going to talk about Kids English Grade 2 chapter number 13 and the topic of this chapter is Annual Sports Day. In this video we will do the exercise of this chapter. Take out page number 96 of your textbook. The question number 1 is answer the following question and your question number 1 is when did Fahad wake up in the morning? The answer is Fahad woke up early in the morning at 6:30 am. Number 2, why was he excited? The answer is Fahad was very excited because it was annual sports day at his school. Number 3, what was he wearing? The answer is Fahad was wearing sports kit. Number 4, which games did the school arrange for students? Answer, the school arranged different games and sports in which the students had their participation like cricket, rope skipping, a race, sack race, football, volleyball, musical chair, etc. Number 5, in which game Fahad was competing? Fahad was competing in cycle. Your next question is read the following statements and encircle the correct options for your answer. I will only read the correct answer for you. He brushed his teeth and washed his face. Number 2, after getting ready, he went downstairs to see his parents. Number 3, later they had their breakfast and left for school. Number 4, all the participants were lined up. Number 5, the principal gave him a prize on getting first position. Oral communication, read the given words belonging to the same category. जी हाँ, यहाँ पर आपको एक वर्ड दिया गया है और उसी वर्ड की कैटेगरी से रिलेट करते हुए डिफरेंट वर्ड्स हैं, उनको सही से पढ़ना है. Number 1 is food and the items which are included in food items are biryani, apple, corn and vermicelli. Next one, clothes, gloves, pants, shirt and socks. The third example is of shapes. Now the next question, encircle the things that belong to the same category from each row. नीचे दिए गए जो words हैं उसके जो same category word चीज़ों की बनती हैं उनको आप लोग circle कीजिए. पहला word है हमारे पास transport and the things which are in the same category are bus, helicopter, ship and aeroplane. Second is animals and the things which are in this category lion, cow, zebra and giraffe. The last one, rivers, Indus, Ravi and Satluj. From left to the right, the fish is in the first position. Can you tell aloud the position of a table, aunt and book in the ordinal number? यहाँ से उन्होंने कहा है कि लेफ्ट से अगर आप राइट की तरफ जाएं तो फिश जो है वो फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे है. तो आप बताइए टेबल, आंट और बुक ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स में किन पोजीशन पर है? सो आंट इज ऑन सेकंड नंबर, book is on 5th number and the table is on 8th number. Now next question, rehearse the given dialogue with your friends with correct pronunciation, rhythm and intonation. Assalamu alaikum, how are you? Walaikum assalam, I am fine, how are you? I am fine too, I am going for a morning walk. Would you like to come with me? Yes, sure, I daily go for a morning walk, it is good for health. Yes, let's go. Hello, my name is Haroon, I am 7 years old. I study in class 2. Meet my younger brother Zubair. He studies in class 1. He is very obedient and cute. Third dialogue है हमारे पास. Miss, may I go to drink water? Yes, you may. Moving on to the next page, write down the missing letters. The given words are taken from the lesson. Lesson में से कुछ words दिए गए हैं और उन words के कुछ letters missing हैं. आपने इन words को अच्छी तरह से समझकर missing letters के साथ fill करना है. Number 1 is downstairs, number 2 cricket, number 2 drove, 4 success and number 5 is principal. Thanks for watching viewers. Take care. Allah Hafiz.